Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by whispering forests, lived a kind-hearted little girl named Luna. Luna had sparkling eyes and a smile. She loved exploring the green meadows near her.
By creating videos like this, you can earn significant dollars using just one application. All you need to do is write a half-line prompt, and this application will create everything for you: images, animations, story, voiceover, background music. Everything is managed within one app. You won't need to write a separate story with ChatGPT, create images elsewhere, or arrange voiceovers, subtitles, or even background music. With these tools, you can make videos in either Urdu or English effortlessly, and you can start earning thousands using just your mobile phone. Open your any browser and search Mutayon first. Head to the option. You can create content for social media, marketing, and educational tutorials, or even make stories for kids. Click the sign up button and register with an email address or sign in with Google. With the free plan, you receive 200 credits per month, allowing you to enter up to 20,000 characters of prompts, create 16 scenes per project, and access 6 visual styles in 1080p resolution. The paid plan starts at just $8 per month, around 2,000 Pakistani rupees, which is a small investment compared to potential earnings. Once you sign up, there are two main options: generate from prompt and use my content. In the first option, simply enter a short line describing what you want, for example, a bedtime story of a baby rabbit and a little girl. Select the style, such as 3D cartoon for kids videos, and click the generate button. The app will produce a storyboard with completed scenes, pictures, voiceover lines, and background music. If you already have your own story, use the Use My Content option, paste your story, select the style, and generate the video. You can even convert the visuals into animations, although this costs additional credits. To avoid the watermark, either purchase the subscription or download images and scenes individually. You can combine these elements in a video editor and add your custom voiceover or background music. You need to gather the clips and get your video ready with a bit of effort. If you put in some hard work, you'll definitely be able to earn dollars, God willing. But remember, consistent effort is key. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more knowledge and support. Don't forget to set the bell icon to all so we can stay connected.